Hey there everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install RAM into a PC. You will need to open up the side panel on your computer and remove the old RAM in your computer. You don't have to, but just make sure it's compatible with your new RAM. I'm going to be installing 16 gigabytes of Crucial Ballistix RAM into my computer, two 8GB sticks. So to install it, you'll have to match the hole in the RAM with the notch in this RAM slot. Put it into place and push until you hear it click. You will do the same with the other slot, and then you will push into place until you hear it click again. Do it on the second and fourth RAM slot furthest from the CPU. Once you have completed this, make sure they are in properly, and then you have successfully installed your RAM. Thanks for watching.